With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, let me explain this question to you. Calculate the kinetic energy of a solid sphere of mass 2 kg rolling down an inclined plane with a velocity of 2 meter per second about an axis passing through its diameter. Okay, so we have to calculate total kinetic energy of this solid sphere. So total kinetic energy is sum of rotational energy plus translational energy. Rotational kinetic energy plus translational kinetic energy. Rotational kinetic energy means half I omega square plus translational kinetic energy means half m v square. Here v is the velocity of center of mass and omega is the angular velocity about center of mass and I is the moment of inertia about an axis passing through its center of mass. Okay, or you can say diameter. So 1 by 2 moment of inertia about this axis passing through diameter is for solid sphere. This is equals to 2 by 5 m r square. If m is the mass, r is the radius, and omega we can write v upon r, and this is whole square plus half m v square. So from here we can see r square cancel out. This is 1 by 5 mr square mv square upon 5 plus mv square upon 2. So this is equals to 7 upon 10 mv square, and here mass and speed is given. Mass is 2 kg, speed is also 2 meter per second square. So 7 upon 10 into 2 into 2 square is equals to 4. So this is equals to 56 divided by 10 and it means 5.6 joule. So final answer is 5.6 joule total kinetic energy. So I hope you understood the explanation. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.